Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can redeem your Binance gift card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply open your Binance app. Once you open your Binance app, you will end up in this page where you need to simply press on the Binance logo on the left hand side of the corner. So once you press on it, you will then end up in this kind of page where you need to simply tap on the Rewards Hub option. So once you tap on Rewards Hub, you will end up in this page. Now all you need to do is tap on My Vouchers option and get redirected to this kind of page. So you are here, tap on Voucher Code, which will then help you to redeem your gift card. Now simply type in your gift card code in the enter code option and simply press on claim voucher. So this is how you redeem your Binance gift card. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.